Is your Zafira's car alarm constantly going off? This is a common problem, often stemming from a weak battery, faulty sensors, or overly sensitive settings. First, check your battery voltage with a multimeter. A reading below 12.6 volts can trigger false alarms. If the battery is weak, recharge or replace it. Next, consider parasitic drain. Use a multimeter to measure amperage draw with the ignition off. It should be less than 50 milliamps. Excessive draw indicates a potential alarm fault. If battery issues are ruled out, move on to sensors. Use an OBD2 scanner with Zafira-specific software to log alarm codes, which can pinpoint problematic sensors. Resetting the system by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes can also clear ECU memory and resolve temporary glitches. If the alarm continues to trigger, the sensitivity settings might be the issue. Access the alarm control module, usually near the fuse box, and reduce the sensitivity of the shock sensor. This can often be done via ECU settings or dip switches. Clean or replace any faulty sensors that seem to be triggered by environmental factors. For ultrasonic sensors, recalibrate them in a quiet environment. If problems persist, consider upgrading to aftermarket sensors with adjustable thresholds for better control. As a last resort, explore community-driven hacks or consult a third-party specialist familiar with Zafira alarm systems. Remember, preventive maintenance, such as regular battery checks, can significantly reduce alarm-related issues.